I never thought I would be the girl with a garden, but here we are. I have literally never in my life wanted a garden. The heater turned on and there goes the cat. She loves to sit in front of that thing. Anyway, like I was saying, I have never wanted a garden, which is kind of strange considering how much I love plants and what a jungle my house has usually been with all of the indoor plants. But we had a garden when I was a kid, and well, I should say my stepdad had a garden when I was a kid, and that pretty much ruined it for me. I spent my summers working in the garden. Mind you, this garden was the size of a football field, and I worked there 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So, I have never wanted to have my own garden. But lately I've been hearing so much chatter from everywhere about the supply chain, right? Including the food supply chain. I've been hearing from the farmers, and of course there's no one to pick any of the food. And with the grocery stores going to be empty once again very soon, we decided we would start a garden this year. And surprisingly, I'm kind of excited about it. We spent the weekend putting it together, and when I look at it, I feel joy in my body. And that is resistance. Joy is resistance. And so is healing. I mean, this journey of deciding to do, I didn't just decide to do the garden. I should say I thought about doing one last summer and talked myself out of it. And it has been a very cathartic thing to put this together. And healing is also resistance. So this is the activism that I am doing this week, is gardening. Because activism doesn't have to look like just protesting. Being in resistance, taking care of yourself, all of that is a form of resistance and rebellion. And if there's one thing I'm good at, it's resistance and rebellion. I'll share a little speed clip here at the end of us putting it together. We live in an apartment, so it's not a traditional garden. It's a vertical garden. So I can just have it right here on my patio. And I will share a little speed clip of us putting it together so you guys can see and be a part of that if you're interested. Otherwise, be sure to like, comment, and share, and let me know, how are you planning for the supply chain issues when there are food shortages coming? Are you prepared? Are you planning? Let me know what you're doing down in the comments, and take care of yourself. Be safe.